Hey guys, my name's Diego.
And I'm Trevor.
And we are both trainers here at Gravitec. As the industry progresses, we've been seeing a lot more double locking carabiners as opposed to single locking. And some comments we get about the double locking carabiners is that they're hard to open, they're slow. So today we're gonna put that to the test with a carabiner race. You ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Your screw gate carabiners with my triple action carabiners.
Let's do it.
All right, you can use both your hands or have a head start. Which one you want?
Take that start.
If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, give us a call or click on the link below. Thanks for watching.